Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. It's Mary Joffo. Ezedike. Arusu Gwan of Inteje. The only man when he cook for community not fi finish food. The only lion when not the shake. Talk about me. I don't read their comments. They talk about me. Go to every platform. It's all about me. Let them talk. I'm not suing them. I'm not taking them to court. At least I put food on their table. I'm the lion. No shaking. Lion don't they shake now. Lion don't they shake. Amobingo don't they shake like person with fever and malaria hold for nyash. He don't they shake like. The strongest man. The deity himself. Inyash don dey shake like person wey malaria and fever hold. E don dey shake like person wey malaria and fever hold for nyash. The same Arusu of Inteje don begin dey beg. Since yesterday, they have been begging Mama Rita. When we think say the begging don end, we no know say this is not only begging. No. This na Babiala. They don carry the Babiala go where May Edoshe dey. Arusu one of Inteje. It's Mary Joffo one of Inteje. They don't do Babiala for where May Edoshe dey. These two people wake up one morning. They say now to sue Mama Rita and Mr. Obasi. They sue finish. They even can't write enough is enough. With their hand though, now they say write enough is enough. The same people now, they don't turn story around. Hey, my lovely fans, I beg, if you are a doctor, you are a nurse, you work in the hospital, at least you will understand this thing. I beg, listen to this video from the beginning to the end. Now you will give us the explanation. Because the level where Amobingo take come outside now, it shock me. Your attention is needed though, please. Because the one where Amobingo take carry can't take beg now, I no can understand. Whether na Juju Ekwensu na dey kolo, whether na Amobingo himself na dey kolo. You know, say when person they live with kolo person, if you not take time, before you know, that person go come dey behave like the kolo person. At this point now, I don't know whether na Juju Ekwensu or Amobingo na dey kolo. They don't sue themselves, not knowing that they are suing themselves. They think say that they sue Mama Rita. When the sue come backfire, they come see say na themselves. Now they go sue for court. They can't turn around. Come begin to beg. The main cocoa reason why even make them beg, it's not all about the suing. No. It was when they hear say May Edoshe will be standing as a witness for Mama Rita. Because May Edoshe say not under her eyes, or not, they say May Edoshe say not in her eyes or under her nose. Now Juju Ekwensu the home wrecker, home scatterer, home destroyer, go carry Mama Rita go court. Say make Mama Rita. Say make Mama Rita go explain herself. May Edoshe say Juju Ekwensu explained herself. Who invited her into her marriage? Who welcomed her into her home? Now you sin for your body. Now you dirty like pig. Now you the sue person. May Edoshe say no problem. She's a witness to everything that they want to use against me, against Mama Rita. She's coming to the court not just to stand in that box owner they put there, but she's coming with evidence. Now when Amobingo and Juju Ekwensu here say May Edoshe they go court, and two of them know say May Edoshe evidence na water. Evidence na water. Now they turn around, they run kitty. They can't go they beg Mama Rita. As they beg Mama Rita say, he still they think he never know whether he go say yes or no. Now they run go they beg May Edoshe. They don't carry the Babiala from Mama Rita now. They don't carry him go where May Edoshe dey. They are not begging May Edoshe that May Edoshe should please. As you all know, they cannot have straight direct contact with May Edoshe. Because it's when May Edoshe ended her relationship with Amobingo, she ended the number, the contact and everything. May Edoshe tell Amobingo, say, if you have anything to tell me, contact my lawyer. Una they say and say, Amobingo no get 0% chance to even have anything to do with me, Edochie. Like, a woman that will tell you that if you want to talk to me, if you have anything, contact my lawyer. You are nobody to her. If Amobingo like, make it go stand on top of skyscraper. Make it a dance for there. Me, Edochie, no go stay see am. As long as she don't tell you, say, contact my lawyer, that means you are deleted. You are cancelled. So Amobingo have been reaching out to people close to me, Edochie. Say me they beg me, Edochie. Say they won't withdraw the case from court. But Mama Rita has refused. Say now me Edochie na be the power when he did behind Mama Rita. Say make me Edochie beg. Make she herself talk to Mama Rita. Say this whole thing when it happened, this swing of Mama Rita, say not be ordinary hand. My people, Amobingo say no be ordinary hand. So if they beg me Edochie now, say make me Edochie withdraw, make me Edochie talk to Mama Rita. I beg, may they fulfill withdraw the case. Because they want to withdraw the case now. They don't see and say now they self they go sue. Everything will backfire them. May Edochie standing as a witness. Me say Amobingo next month they go kere. Which means Juju Ekwensu case go rise. So this is a big problem for them. How can you have this kind of problem for your neck? You go the sue person. So they don't see and say this whole suing is like they sue themselves to the court. So they are now trying to withdraw case, trying to beg me Edochie, trying to beg me Edochie, beg Mama Rita, may they fulfill withdraw the case. Una see una ato when he say he's strong. He bombodo they shake now. Only me Edochie say I want to bear weakness. He bombodo they shake. See the kind excuse when Amobingo bring come aside. Like this excuse is really shocking. Women out there, husband snatchers, make una dey very careful. Husband snatcher, home wreckers, make una home destroyers, make una dey very careful. Because you see all these men who na dey feed the snatch, who na dey happy say I snatch him. Now useless man now they snatch. Once the man you are able to snatch him, you know you snatch rubbish, no sensibility. Good and responsible men, they know they snatch them. You don't snatch responsible man. A woman will not allow a responsible, correct man reach your hand. Fire of Marty don't close. Sele don't close. Spiritualists don't close. I've been native daughters, they don't close. Hey, they will go to any length. Yeah, that is women. They will go to any length to hold that thing which is dear to their hearts. But when they let go, Madonna rubbish you snatch. Nana Juju Ekwensu go know the reason why make me Edochie dashan Amobingo. Juju Ekwensu don't buy market oh, he don't carry. So for Juju Ekwensu and Amobingo to defend themselves from this kasala where they go put themselves. They say me Edochie say wetin dey happen no concern her. She's a witness to Mama Rita. So coming to beg her is none of her business. She's going to be a witness for Mama Rita and nobody will stop her. Now, dear now Amobingo can begin to talk, say, this suing not be ordinary hand. Not be say Juju Ekwensu just wake up and feel like to sue. Say Juju Ekwensu is suffering from postpartum depression. Hey! Hey, way! May God not let us snatch a man where we no fit explain. Hey! Juju Ekwensu don't carry. Amobingo to save his name from polygamy. To protect himself for the adultery when he commit for a marriage. Amobingo say Juju Ekwensu is suffering from postpartum depression. For pikin wey don pass 1 year. Now the people come ask Amobingo, say Amobingo, since when this one start? He say 1 month ago. He says since 1 month ago they have been dealing with it. Say Juju Ekwensu is suffering from postpartum depression. For pikin wey don pass 1 year. When we dey tell una say make una mind wetin una dey snatch. If they even carry this case go court, even judge go shift bumbo. What did I just hear? To my own knowledge, I don't know. Correct me, oh. to my own knowledge, I know that postpartum depression starts maybe after 1 month or 2 months when the person born. Where postpartum depression dey start for pikin wey don dey waka, wey don pass 1 year, im mama don breastfeed finish. You know breastfeeding can also cause it. Pikin wey be say e no dey suck bobby, nothing again. Nana Juju Ekwesu come get postpartum depression. Amobingo say na postpartum depression na e carry Juju Ekwesu go meet lawyer. She come write all those long notes. The same postpartum depression, they come carry those long notes go drop for court. The same postpartum depression, she come carry the suing paper, she come post am online. The same postpartum depression come make Juju Ekwesu write enough is enough. Amobingo Ogini. Ogini. I don't know whether like you dey suffer for the postpartum depression or na Juju Ekwesu. Because this is a postpartum depression. This is a postpartum depression, don't dey scare also. Amobingo say na postpartum depression na e carry Juju Ekwesu go lawyer place go sue Mama Rita. Say now they want to withdraw the case because Juju Ekwesu not sue with a clear eye. Say Juju Ekwesu has been suffering for this sickness since 1 month. The sickness is so serious that even her own daughter, they know they give her the daughter sometimes, because sometimes she go like person when they go colo. So the thing of depression, we know say depression be like colometus. So that thing I enter her head, she can't begin to do all these things. Now where her eye clear, she say she don't know when she do it. So Amobingo say na postpartum depression. Na Juju Ekwesu take sue Mama Rita. Say abeg, make all of the put together, make the help am, make you withdraw the case. They don't want case. Even Juju Ekwesu don't want case. It's just as the postpartum depression na he push and go meet lawyer. Hey, Chineke, may God not let us marry man when we no understand. Juju Ekwesu, see wetin you snatch. See wetin you snatch. So na postpartum depression dey worry you. Yeah, after pikin don dey waka. Na postpartum depression carry you to sue Mama Rita. You no sue am when you dey breastfeed pikin. You no sue am when the pikin small. Na the postpartum depression. So yeah, get up, go and sue Mama Rita. Different excuse for them to withdraw this case before on the 29th. Because that thing wey Mama Rita dey ask for, e go finish Amobingo. Remember, May Edochie is a slow mover. May Edochie be like scorpion. Unexpected time she will stink. This whole drama is for the favor of May Edochie. Yes, Juju Ekwesu produced the marriage certificate, which shall be used against Amobingo in the court of law. Juju Ekwesu was sleeping with Amobingo, which will be used against her as an adultery. Juju Ekwesu was sleeping with Amobingo when he was still married, which will also be used against Juju Ekwesu as adultery in the court of law. Una see and say all these people sue themselves. How do they meet them now? The same man wey tell una say nothing dey shake and say he cook for us, so we not fit finish food when he cook for us. The same man now don dey beg, say make dem withdraw case using the name postpartum depression. Hey, postpartum depression is eating up Juju Ekwesu. Juju Ekwesu no know the time when he take sue. Na postpartum depression. Respect to all women going through that. Please, postpartum depression dey worry person when the pikin don dey waka. Make una help us for the comment section, because you and Amobingo, they want to confuse us, and they cannot confuse us. Does Juju Ekwesu look like person wey postpartum depression dey worry? Person wey write enough is enough. So na postpartum depression now, na they make people dey write enough is enough. Amobingo. Juju Ekwesu, you see wetin you snatch? A confused man. See wetin they write. See the excuse when they give. See the kind ability excuse that they should pity Juju Ekwesu. They should pity her. That she's going through a lot. This thing is really eating her up. Somebody that cannot carry her child sometimes. Sometimes if the thing come, she go dey throw away the pikin, she'll say she don't want. All these things just because they want to withdraw court case when it don't backfire them. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is my raw true life story. God bless you.